Olúyọ̀lé o. Ẹ̀dúpẹ́ òkúlẹ̀ bàbá wa. Òkè Àdó. Ẹ̀dúpẹ́ òkúlẹ̀ bàbá wa. Òróró ilẹ̀ ní bàbá fún wa bí ìsú omi.
Ìbàdàn kí ni sọ ẹ̀yin tèmi nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi bí wọ́n máa sì gbé ara ọ̀tọ̀ àti àǹfààní ńlá jàǹkànjàǹkàn sí agbègbè Mọ́níyà ní ìlú Ìbàdàn.
Are you aware that the ancient city of Ibadan in Nigeria is fast developing? And we are here to bring you this beautiful opportunity to invest.
It's been an awesome experience. It's been an amazing experience. You can see people around. They came to be part of this experience. We are here at the groundbreaking of Maxville here in Ibadan. It has been an awesome experience here. As you can see, we are enjoying ourselves.
It is the groundbreaking ceremony of Maxville Ibadan. Yes, Maxville is a beautiful estate.
As you can see, work has already started in earnest. The perimeter fencing is ongoing. The gatehouse is going to be erected in a few weeks' time.
So Maxville here is one of our fantastic sites and service and prototype building estate in Ibadan. And what we are trying to do is put up houses that are affordable in different locations all over the country, and houses that mortgage participation is a key factor.
There are two share promo whereby you can pay 50,000 naira and spread the balance over 6 months.
And this estate is not far from the railway terminal. It's not far from the Oyo Circular Road. It's not far from the IITA.
Not just that, the beautiful thing is that in the next 45 days, we'll be coming back here to launch the Max Construct building. They say Ibadan is the land of brown roofs, but guess what? D1 Max is here to change that concept.
D1, Property World Africa Network, God's giving company to mankind. It's not my company, though. It is my company. It's not my company. It's all of us here. Once you join us and become a part of this company, you are a owner of D1. As I put my leg on this shovel to open this ground, I'd say this ground is open. Help me, everybody. Push. Yes. Take the sand up and toss it out.
Wow! What an interesting day! The ground has been broken. So right now, get your clients, get your prospects to come and invest in this property.
If you make a deposit of 50,000 now, you get instant allocation. Wow! Where else can you get this? Nowhere else than P1 Group.